A new vaccination law now in effect in Virginia is causing some confusion among parents. The law, which took effect July 1st, states that all rising 7th graders need to be vaccinated for HPV. However, Virginia Delegate Dave LaRocque wants parents to understand that there is an important provision added to this new law.
One of the good things about that bill is it did make provisions so that parents would ultimately have the say in whether or not their children are vaccinated. So, put just a little bit differently, there is an opt-out of this controversial HPV vaccination.
Colonial Heights Public Schools fails to let parents know that they can opt out of the HPV vaccine on its district website, going as far as saying they will withhold schedules from rising 7th graders who cannot show proof of vaccination. Since parents can legally opt out, the school district cannot do this. As for all the other required vaccinations, there are 3 ways parents may opt out. The first is to file a religious exemption. That form can be found on the Division of Immunization website. The second is to have a note written by a licensed healthcare provider that explains the reason that immunization is harmful to the child's health. And the third way is to prove that the child has an existing immunity that ensures protection against that disease. Delegate LaRocque is a firm believer that many of these decisions should be up to the parents and not the government.
I'm glad to the people who are working to put this message out to parents and to protect those parental rights, which are very important. A lot of controversy these days about different vaccinations and what authority the government has to mandate different vaccinations. But this one is very clear. The law has made it very obvious and very clear that parents do have the ultimate say in opting out of this vaccination if they choose to.
Reporting for Army of Parents, I'm Shelley Norden.